Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by and please subscribe. Today we'll be cooking for you hominy corn porridge that's enjoyed by many in my country as a breakfast item. First up, you have to pick and wash the hominy corn, put salt in it, and let it soak overnight. Here we have it. It's been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes in very medium water. And there it's thickening up. You see it's ready for you to add some more water. I like when my hominy corn is thickened naturally without having to add any cornstarch or flour to it. So I let it cook up in a little water at a time, and then I add gradually as I go along. See the amount I've added here? And then it's going to continue to boil up, and you also can use a fork to test it to see if it's cooked. Once you see it starting to thicken up like that, yes, the cooking is doing well and going on the way. Then next up now, you see we have to add a little bit of sugar. I should have done this in the beginning, but I'm adding it at this stage. And you put a little sugar in, it makes the porridge a little bit sweeter and nicer. And yes, you just stir it. You have to stir constantly and add more water as it boils out and you go along. Now if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There we are. Then now we have next up the coconut milk. We're adding the coconut milk. You have to put that in and let it boil up. When it's almost done or near done cooking, put the coconut milk. There you have a little bit of ice in it because we had to refrigerate some leftover coconut milk. I don't necessarily like coconut milk in my porridge, but many others love it. I just prefer to put evaporated milk and cow's milk and condensed milk, but mom loves it with the coconut milk, or loves to cook it with the coconut milk. Here we're adding the spices. That's vanilla and nutmeg and some cinnamon powder, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix all of that together. Make sure that the spices are very well combined. You don't want to be eating the porridge and having pieces of spice hitting your throat. That wouldn't be nice at all. And next up here we're adding some evaporated milk. You can add a whole can of evaporated milk. We're cooking a 2-pound pack of hominy corn here, so yeah. Then add more sugar to taste. Of course you have to taste as you go along. Now it's almost done already, so we're sweetening up. Sweetening it with some condensed milk. I'm telling you, you should try this. Condensed milk is delicious in porridge. Oh my goodness, it just is so delicious, so good. Yes, and you taste, you add your taste, add taste, and make sure you mix well or the porridge will stick to the bottom. If you notice also, I had to change to a bigger pot. Yes, and there we go, adding some more milk again. Taste as you go along. And you add sugar to taste, as I told you. This is a good bit of porridge. And then after you've sweetened some, then you're going to taste again. And we had to add a pinch of salt. And then voila, we're dishing it up. Well, thank you for stopping by. And here you are, served up a hot, delicious bowl of hominy corn porridge. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.